Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. After being a long-time user of Fortran for over 3 decades, a tricky situation arose involving polymorphism in an assumed rank entity. The challenge emerged when attempting to use an assumed rank entity in a select type, which resulted in a puzzling error message specifically with Fortran. The error message mentioned that an assumed rank variable may only be used as an actual argument, throwing a bit of a wrench into the algorithm design. Now onto the solution that was uncovered. It turns out that Fortran implemented Fortran TS 29113C535B, a standard that preceded assumed rank. Delving into the depths of Fortran 2003, we stumbled upon a rule stating that an assumed rank variable name should only appear in certain scenarios, including as an actual argument corresponding to a dummy argument, as the argument of specific intrinsic functions, or as the selector of a select rank statement. This sheds light on why the error message popped up and clarifies that it wasn't a bug in Fortran. A recent update by J3 seems to have made further changes, removing restrictions for assumed rank entities based on a specific document. To wrap things up, we've explored the complexities surrounding using polymorphism and assumed rank entities in Fortran. Understanding the nuances of these concepts and the standards associated can be key in navigating through such errors and challenges. Remember, Fortran, like any language, has its intricacies that can both intrigue and perplex. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a witty comment below. Until next time.